Same way, my dear students, sometimes you will be asked to prepare ledger accounts with the help of subsidiary books. Subsidiary books like purchase book, purchase return books, sales book, and sales return book. And bills receivable book and bills payable book is not in your syllabus. So now you see illustration 5 of DK Goel. Enter the following transaction in purchase book of Gopi Chand and Sons, Kanpur, UP, assuming CGST at 6% and SGST at 6% and post it into ledger. So very simply, with the help of all the credit purchases of goods, please remember this thing, all the credit purchases of goods. Only credit purchases of goods will come in your purchase book. So that means the cash purchases of goods and credit purchases of any other asset will not come in your purchase book. So only credit purchases of goods you will write in purchase book, and with the help of that purchase book you will prepare ledger accounts of parties. So see, first of all, January 5, Rahul Bajaj, Kanpur, and you have purchased goods worth rupees 2,50,000. So we will prepare ledger of Rahul Bajaj, Kanpur. Okay, now convert this particular transaction into journal entry. CGST and SGST is also there. So purchase account debit and input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to Rahul Bajaj. So on 2018, date is 2018 January 5, a very simple treatment will come in Rahul Bajaj Kanpur's account. That is, in credit side, we will write by purchases account, and amount of purchase will come, and that is 2,50,000. Okay, now input CGST and input SGST is also there. So by input CGST account, and that amount is 15,000, by input SGST account, that amount is also 15,000. So like this, total will be 2,80,000. Okay, now next transaction is on January 13, and we are purchasing goods from Ganesh Industries, Kolkata, West Bengal. So West Bengal is interstate transaction. So in interstate transactions, we have to write IGST, and you know it very well. At the time of learning journal with GST, you have already learned about it, that in intrastate transactions we will write input CGST and input SGST, and when in interstate transactions we will write IGST. The tax will be compiled. So party name is Ganesh Industries. So we will prepare account of Ganesh Industries, Kolkata account. Okay. So once again, we are buying goods from him. Simple treatment will come on 2018 January 13, buy purchases account. Ledger preparation with the help of subsidiary book is also very simple. So we are purchasing goods worth rupees 96,000, because trade discount is also there. Trade discount will be deducted, and you know it very well that there will be no treatment of trade discount. And by input IGST account, and that amount is 11,520. So like this total will be 1,07,520. Okay, now see, there is one more transaction on January 28 with Vijay Modi. We are purchasing goods from Vijay Modi, Surat, Gujarat, and this is also one of the interstate transactions. So again, we can see there will be IGST. So now I am preparing account of Vijay Modi, Surat. And once again, on 2018 January 28, very simple treatment will come in credit side by purchases account And a trade discount is also there, 12.5%. So after deducting trade discount, purchase price will be 87,500, and on 87,500 we will charge input IGST. So by input IGST account, and that amount will be 10,500. So like this, total amount will be 98,000. Okay, like this you will prepare all the ledger account, and besides parties ledger account, you will prepare account of taxes also, like input CGST, input SGST, and input IGST. So now in my next video, I will tell how to prepare ledger accounts with the help of sales book. Okay, thank you.